Okay, currencies, starting with the DXY. So we held this 887 here last week. So this final diagonal up as an ABC1 to ABC3 into the 138.2. This is the 4, and looking for that last push up for one last local high to complete all of a much larger degree wave 1 up from the lows earlier this year. And therefore, conversely, I'm looking for a final low in the euro. If I just take it down to a daily chart. So this is a 4, but this part of the structure is seriously messy, and it is possible we've got the 1 in, and this was a 1 or A rather of this 2 up, and we're in the B back. But that notwithstanding, notwithstanding, it did offer up a suitable. I'm going to find this correct chart. Here we go. A decent trade opportunity last week up here. Because in both counts, we were looking down to at least this support zone, which we're not far from the top of at the moment. So we're short the euro. I've taken another third off this morning, and you'll notice that post where I posted the trade adjustment in the forum is highlighted in red. So all trade related posts in the forum are highlighted in red. Also, if you look in the top left-hand bar of the forum now, you'll see a search icon. So you can actually search the forum. It's effectively a filter, but it gives you very specific criteria for the search to try and make sure we get concise, accurate results when you're searching. So give that a try, and if any bugs with it or anything, can people let me know. Okay, 15-minute chart on the euro here. So I was looking for this 3 to come down and hit the 2.0 extension. That's exactly what we've seen this morning, which is what precipitated taking more profits on this trade. I'm looking for a 4 to hold here at the 123.6 and a final 5th down. All of that gives us a 5-wave structure off the recent high. That's either one of the 5 down to complete the larger degree move off the top, or it's an A wave of a larger B wave before we go back up and take out the recent high. At the moment, I don't particularly care which from a trading point of view. I've left a third on for that last drop lower, and also because this third can extend. And we've, this wasn't a big swing trade. It was just effectively a few days scalp type trade. So we've done okay out of that. Cable's coming rather deep here, and it looks like a 5-wave move down. I don't think it's all of the B wave off the low. So I've got the 1 in, and we're looking for this 2 back. There's an A, B, C for this A, B, C. And then coming down and looking at that on an hourly time frame, you see we've already come just shy of hitting the 618 retrace of the recent move up. And I'm struggling to count that as an ABC. It looks much more like a 5-wave move. I've not narrowed it right down to a 5-minute chart. Watch the recent top. Take that out. We're in the C of 2 up. If you've taken a trade off this 618 hit, then you can just scalp it up, but watch as we get up the retrace fibs against the recent move down. I think we're going to get a B, C as a kind of flat before we go up in the C of 2 in cable. US dollar, Japanese yen. So I'm tracking this diagonal pattern, and I think we're in the C wave of this 3 with a 1, 2, and we should be in this 3 now. So I'm long the Japanese yen off the 50% retrace fib. I want to see it take out 111.82 next, this one here. Otherwise, we can still drop down to one of these lower fibs for the 2 before we push on up further in the US dollar, Japanese yen. The Australian dollar may have stick saved this count. This larger degree 4 can be in here. We tagged the 1764 and made a slightly lower low, and it's pushing up this morning. I'm not prepared to take a risk on a trade on it at this point. I want to see 5 up, 3 back. That holds a retrace fib before I'm going to make another attempt in the Australian dollar.